Firstly, the pretreatment stage involves cleaning and crushing the walnuts. This is achieved using specialized cleaning machines and crushers that prepare the walnuts for optimal oil extraction. The cleaned and crushed walnuts are then fed into a screw press or expeller. Following the extraction process, the crude walnut oil undergoes filtration to remove solid particles and impurities. Filtering equipment such as centrifuges or filter presses ensures that the oil is clear and free from residues. Subsequently, the refining stage employs deguming, neutralization, bleaching. Finally, the refined walnut oil is prepared for packaging. Filling machines accurately measure and dispense the oil into bottles or containers, while labeling and sealing equipment completes the packaging process. The entire production line is supported by automated control systems that monitor and regulate each stage. Overall,